How to spoof your location on iPhone without computer. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can spoof your location on iPhone without a computer. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So usually there are a lot of softwares and services that will help you spoof your location on iPhone, but it will require your computer. So there is not many alternatives when it comes to you not having a computer and then wanting to spoof your location. There is one option, and the option is you will simply need to move to a different place first initially. So move to a different place first, make sure that your iPhone has located the place and then is showing you that very place on your location. And after you're on that location, simply head over to your settings and simply search for location services. After you find location services, you can head over there, and on your location services, you will simply need to turn this off. Turn off your location services, and after you do that, until and unless you again open up the location services, your new location will not get recorded by your iPhone. So wherever you go now, your location will only be at the place where you were previously when this option was turned on. So now you can head over wherever you want and your location will be showed at someplace else. And that is how you can spoof your location on iPhone without using any computer. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.